Dr. Lorene's clinic because
Meow, meow, meow.
Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let's take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, cause it keeps getting better.
I am going to close this. So I'm gonna let the dogs out. Okay, go. Ouch! Parkour. Okay, go. Come here. Okay, my God, they are so hyper whenever they're out of the... Ginger! Bawo naglam. Come here. Si Ginger, nagpwesto lang niya sa sala, oh. Come here. Ginger, look at how comfortable she is. Like she owns it. Like this is my throne. Hey, get out. Pakwa, sige. Gupya, dala siya yung pungko na yan.
Hindi kinasa magaling mo, no?
Ara na sila, di na siya. Balaing, balas ng damgo ko. Balaing lang. Pagbugtaw ko, gap. Kay si Falcor, kuno na. Silingan na ni Charlie. Tapos si Falcor, no, patay. Grabe, ginibake ko. Mula pagbugtaw ko, diretsogi ko dahil kung salamat damgo lang. As in, grabe nga. Ang mga gana, oh. Ay, linaing, kaya pa matsyag ko. Lingko nga, ah. Nga, ano ba siya kay may paggo siya kanina mga bulong. Siling ko pa na. Ay, abot na lang.
good morning guys. We're here at Dr. Lorene's clinic because
Meow, meow, meow.
The dead kitty needs to get checked.
because I'm gonna have a check for my UTI.
Meow.
We're done with the checkup. It was really so nice to see Dr. Lorene again after so long. According to Ralph, she looks exactly the same as she was years ago when we last had my checkup there. Of course, because of my surgery, I had to go to another OB in Bacolod. But she's still my OB here locally. Yeah, she looks so young. She never aged. We're headed now to get my medicine. Yeah, I really do have UTI.
Meow.
Hi, good afternoon guys. We are here in St. Domingo again. We are getting foot spas, both of us. I just had a facial, but my face is like breaking out. It's actually itchy in this side of the face. But Ralph really insisted that I get a facial. So I did. It's called the Diamond Heel Facial. And after that, we're getting a manicure and pedicure together. Good evening, guys. We are back here in Chris Sports Bar and Grill because Ralph is really looking for mixed drinks, and since Sailor Moon closed, there's really nowhere to go for mixed drinks. He has been asking for his mudslide, so he was like, okay, let's try Chris again. Maybe they have their bartender now. But when we got here, the inside, I don't know if it's open because there's no aircon, so we had to get out of there and stay outside. And he can't find mixed drinks in the menu. So I don't know. I don't know where Ralph is. Maybe he's at the back.
And appropriate.
There was a flying cockroach out here. That's why I'm asking him to drink that up and we can leave.
Probably because the plants and the food. Though I haven't seen any food. I didn't order any.